if you want to look stylish, protect your natural hair, and save time getting ready every day, then this video is exactly what you need. Because let's be real, finding the perfect hairstyle that is beautiful, long-lasting, and protective can feel overwhelming. There are so many options out there, and not all of them actually protect your hair or fit into your lifestyle. But in this video, I'm going to break it all down for you. I'll be showing you the best protective hairstyles for Black women in 2026 styles that are trending right now, styles that are practical, and styles that will actually help you maintain healthy hair while still looking amazing. So make sure you watch till the end, because I'll also share some powerful tips that will help your hairstyles last longer and keep your hair growing strong. Let's get into it. And before we jump into the styles, there's something important you need to understand. Protective styling is not just about looks, it's about hair health, time management, and consistency. The right hairstyle can reduce breakage, protect your edges, and help you retain length. But the wrong one can actually damage your hair if it's too tight or not maintained properly. So, as we go through these styles, I want you to think about what fits your lifestyle, not just what looks good. Alright, let's start with one of the most popular styles right now, knotless braids. Knotless braids continue to dominate in 2026, and for good reason. Unlike traditional box braids, knotless braids start with your natural hair and gradually feed in extensions. This makes them lighter, more natural looking, and much less painful. If you've ever had braids that felt too tight or heavy, you already know how uncomfortable that can be. Knotless braids solve that problem. They're perfect for anyone who wants a clean, sleek look without putting too much tension on the scalp. Another reason they're trending is versatility. You can style knotless braids in so many different ways: ponytails, buns, half-up styles, and more. And if you take care of them properly, they can last for weeks. Now here's a tip. To keep knotless braids looking fresh, make sure you moisturize your scalp regularly and wrap your hair at night with a satin scarf or bonnet. That one habit alone can extend the life of your style significantly. Now let's move on to another classic that never goes out of style: cornrows. Cornrows are timeless, but in 2026, we're seeing more creative and modern patterns that take this traditional style to the next level. From straight back cornrows to intricate designs and side patterns, this style is both functional and stylish. One of the biggest advantages of cornrows is how low maintenance they are. Once they're done, you don't have to worry about daily styling. They're also perfect as a base for wigs or other protective styles, which makes them extremely versatile. But here's something important. When getting cornrows, always make sure they're not too tight. Tight braiding can lead to tension, breakage, and even hair loss over time. Comfort should always come first. Now let's talk about twists. Twists are one of the most underrated protective styles, but they are incredibly effective. They're usually quicker to install than braids, and they put less tension on the hair. Two-strand twists, Senegalese twists, passion twists, there are so many variations you can choose from. Twists also give you a softer, more natural look, which many people love. And when you take them out, you get a beautiful twist-out style. So it's like getting two hairstyles in one. Now, if you're someone who prefers a more lightweight feel, twists might be the perfect option for you. Next, let's talk about Fulani braids. Fulani braids are a beautiful combination of cornrows and braids, often styled with unique patterns and accessories like beads. This style stands out because of its cultural richness and creative design. It's perfect if you want something that looks unique and eye-catching while still being protective. Now here's a tip. If you choose styles with beads or accessories, make sure they're not too heavy, especially for kids or if you plan to wear the style for a long time. Balance style with comfort. Now let's talk about something very important: maintenance. Because no matter how beautiful your hairstyle is, if you don't maintain it properly, it won't last. First, always keep your scalp clean. You don't have to fully wash your hair every time, but you can use a light cleanser or dry shampoo to keep your scalp fresh. Second, moisturize. Protective styles don't mean you stop taking care of your hair. Your hair still needs moisture to stay healthy. Third, protect your hair at night. Use a satin bonnet, scarf, or pillowcase to reduce friction and keep your style neat. Now let's talk about choosing the right hairstyle for your lifestyle. If you're someone who is always busy, you want styles that are low maintenance and long-lasting. If you like switching things up often, you might prefer styles that are quicker to install and remove. There's no one-size-fits-all. The best hairstyle is the one that works for you. Now, I want to ask you something. Which of these styles are you loving the most so far? Is it knotless braids? Cornrows? Twists? Let me know in the comments below. I read all your comments. And if you're finding this video helpful, make sure you like and subscribe because I share new hairstyle ideas every week. Now let's quickly recap. Knotless braids are perfect for a lightweight, natural look. Cornrows are great for low maintenance and versatility. Twists are ideal for a softer, more gentle protective style. And Fulani braids are perfect if you want something unique and stylish. Each of these styles has its own benefits, and the right choice depends on your needs. At the end of the day, protective styling is about more than just looking good. It's about taking care of your hair, saving time, and feeling confident. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.
Step in my chair, feel the magic begin. Shoeless hands on your hair, let that confidence win. Twist and turn, every braid tells a tale. Queen in the mirror, watch how beauty prevails. Soft like sunshine, bold like fire. Every strand you slay, you lift them higher. From roots to ends, with love and care in every twist and braid. You're so rare. Oh, braids that shine under summer skies. Shula's touch makes every heart rise. Your beauty on fleek, see them stop and stare. Shula's braids and beauty, we got that flair. Colors and curls, style so smooth. Every look you rock, it's the groove. Crown on your head, walk with grace. Shula's art turns beauty into pace. Feel that beat in your soul, feel that rhythm in your hair. Every braid a story, every style debonair. From box to twist, goddess braids and more. At Shula's place, beauty soars. To all braids that shine under summer skies. Shula's touch makes every heart rise. Beauty on fleek, see them stop and stare. Shula's braids and beauty, we got that flair. Shula's braids and beauty, where you're meant to be. Sweet like melody, fierce like destiny. Beauty and braids, we make Step in my chair, feel the magic begin. Shoeless hands on your hair, let that confidence win. Twists and turn. Every braid's